if you can't find a supercharging station. Because I thought that you could only charge your Tesla at a Tesla supercharger, but that's not true. You can charge it all over the place besides your house. So for example, we're at our local mall and we need to charge the car, and so what I did was I downloaded an app called EVGO and I made an account, and so that will allow me to use their charger. It'll charge my credit card and I can get my car powered up. So here we go. We always keep our adapters in our car. I think it's the smartest thing to do in case you're in a pinch and you need to charge it while you're out and about, so you're not like, oh shoot, I left it all at home. So you select the side that's available. So it'll find the nearest charger to you on your app, and it'll actually tell you which port is available to charge. And what you want to do is, if there's one of these and there's a car connected to the other side of it, you don't want to use that one unless you absolutely have to, because they get first priority over you, so they will actually charge faster. So if you can find one that's empty, that's your best bet. Okay, so you'll look at your app and it'll tell you which serial number you can use. So for example, 1534, so I'm just going to select that on here. Grab this. Tesla gives you your adapters. So you connect your adapter here. Go back to your app. Connect to start. And now it's in use, and it's going to give me updates as it's charging. Depending on which charger you get at, they have chargers all over the place at Walmart's, Target, a lot of Targets, different malls, places like that. There's chargers available, and it's really nice to have apps on your phone, not only to pay for the charging, but also to locate where the charging stations are. And depending on the power output of the charger, you'll get a different amount of charge. So for example, the one we're charging at right now is about 7.2 kilowatt hours. So what that means is you're going to get about 20 miles of charge per hour that it's plugged in. So if you want something more powerful than that, you definitely want to try to find a supercharger if it's within distance. But if you're one of those people who you're just low on charge and you just need enough juice to get home, you could use one of these. Or if you know you're going to be at the mall for a long time, you can use one of these as well. And another thing to note about the chargers is, depending on the states and counties that you're charging in, the prices are different. So it depends on the energy charges based on local and state regulations. So some states are slightly more expensive than others, but overall it is still less expensive to charge your electric vehicle than it would ever be to put gas or diesel in. So it's still always a good deal, but if you're in, say, Florida, it's slightly more expensive than some other states around the area. So just something to think about.